kitchen. You want to kill us, so Tricia's kitchen. One and only. This afang soup is loaded. It is loaded. Like, check it out. Very loaded.
Hello everyone, my name is Tricia and I'm from Bonny Island here in Rivers State. I am the CEO of Tricia's Tasty Kitchen. We are into indoors and outdoor catering services. We cook all types of food, including ikwabi, itsewu. We have matching ground, we have cowhead, pepper gizzard, peppered meat, and peppered snail. We also sell very cold beer, wine, any drinks of your choice. Where you can get us is at Sunny Fina Paris compound by Testimonial Bible Church here in Bonny Island. And we work 24 hours every day, 7 days in a week. No time, timing is not a limit. Timing is not a barrier. You can call me anytime and you can call me on this number 070-3761-3996. I repeat 070-3761-3996. Or you can reach me on my Facebook handle on Tricia Jackman.